So welcome to ProfileTree TV, and today we're joined by Emily Hill from Qualsys. So Emily, thank you for taking time out to chat to us today. You wouldn't mind telling us a little bit about yourself and your background and actually what your company does?
Yeah, sure. So my name's Emily. I manage all the marketing here at Qualsys. Qualsys is a governance, risk and compliance software company. We work with lots of big brands like Honeywell, BT, Sodexo to help them to get all of their procedures and processes all managed in a central system. Really important when you've got huge, massive businesses that everyone has access to the right up-to-date information. So it makes sure that they're compliant with lots of different industry standards and regulations.
Amazing. And you've got a lot of big customers using your software then?
Yes. We've been working with BT since 2001. Been working with Diageo, the maker of Guinness and Johnny Walker, since 2005. We've just recently started working with Honeywell, and we're rolling out something like 200 management systems across the world for them in the next few months. So yeah, it's a busy time for Qualsys.
Yeah, that's incredible. And you're really focused on quality then, and helping businesses maintain quality in their business. Is that the core concept?
So it's some processes, improvements, because everyone's collaborating to try and make their business better.
Amazing, excellent. And quality, again, when you're talking about the big companies that you just listed, quality is critical, and even to, I guess, to small companies as well.
Yeah, definitely. So,
and why do you think quality is important for businesses like yourself? Why did you focus on quality? Why is it so important for companies to focus on the quality?
So one of the big problems with quality is that a lot of people, it's associated with a lot of negative things like being a bit overbearing and micromanaging and telling everyone to stop doing things. And it's kind of seen as a barrier to getting business done. With Qualsys, our work really is around trying to change that perception. So to make it so that when people use quality, it's natural, it's part of the everyday business. If they want to go and change a process, that quality is actually facilitating businesses to get things done. But the only way that you can do that is by having all the information centrally so that people can know what they're supposed to be doing, and then they contribute to those processes and say, hey, this doesn't work, we need to find a better way of doing things.
Amazing, excellent. And I guess you take a lot of paperwork out of the process as well, if it's all done through software now and online.
Yeah, so a lot of companies, they are either using outdated legacy systems or single-use applications, OneDrives, which is just really, really messy. This system, it's not about getting every single document in the company on it. It's about getting the important ones which need to be controlled, which are critical to getting business done properly, especially in industries such as medical device and life sciences, where if a document's out of date or a standard operating procedure is not right, that could have really serious consequences.
Yeah.
There's a lot of work with startups and medical device startups, and just getting everything there at the start of the process is really crucial for getting their product to market.
Amazing. No, incredible when you think of, I'm thinking of company, the government regulations, authorities, the food standards and other the medical device companies, what they would have to adhere to would be quite incredible, and probably have to keep their data for a number of years as well.
Yeah.
A lot. So as a marketing manager, do you find it hard to market a software company online? Is it different to something you've done before? I'm just thinking software so you sell, it's a software as a service, basically, yeah?
Yeah, software as a service. Our strategy basically is to be the expert in the industry. So we do that by doing similar things to what you do, interviewing industry experts and sharing their knowledge, and creating like an online community. We've got about 20,000 people signed up for our GRC newsletter, and we use that really to say, look, come to us, and just sort of start a conversation, talk about it, and find out how we can help and make it better.
Amazing. So you're positioning the brand then as a leader in the industry, sharing content and thought leadership and information then, and hopefully attracting leads that way. Is that part of the strategy?
Yeah, that's what we do. So we use HubSpot to like send out newsletters and emails, and we've got landing pages. We do a lot of content on the changing standards and regulations. So there's a new standard, well, a revised standard that's just come out, 19,011, and it's all about auditing management systems. And we've produced lots of content around the changes to the standard and how our software can help with that.
Amazing, incredible. And I guess something like GDPR in the last, I suppose this year, has increased the need for software like yourselves as well.
Yeah, definitely. We actually did a training course last year. We ran 4 training courses at our offices on GDPR. Not really to sell them money, more just to say, look, we're the experts, come to us, and this is how you've got all your privacy by design, this is how to do privacy by design, this is how to do your data protection register, all of that sort of stuff. And Kate managed that, so yeah, it was really interesting.
Incredible. It's good to meet a company that actually was happy with GDPR when it was launched, as opposed to everyone was having heart attacks about it. So no, very good. But your whole platform is built in supporting businesses with that.
Yeah. Well, one of the main things we found with GDPR is to actually, a lot of companies already had a lot of their good processes in place. A lot of it was to say, look, you don't have to do some things that other people have told you that you need to do. It's just minor changes to how you ask for permission and that kind of thing. And you don't have to go and delete every bit of data.
And sadly, a lot of companies did do that, didn't they? It was incredible watching. It was like Armageddon. Everyone didn't have the right information. So it was good that you guys invest in some courses and training to help others. So you are heavily invested in content marketing. So using HubSpot and producing all this content. So content marketing is critical to what you do in sharing information online.
Yes, it is. Yeah, content marketing is like our main part of our strategy. So we go to lots of industry events and we do write-ups of what's happening in the industry. We send we've got quite a generous CPD budget at our company, so we go to lots of industry events and interview people there and use that content to share with other people who don't have that sort of budget. So yeah.
Incredible. And you're right, there's a lot of people that don't have the budget. Amazing, excellent. So again, if we were to explain the benefits of your software and how it could help businesses, so it would be the sum up about the quality controls, and what would be your ideal customer? Who would be the standard person that uses you? I know you mentioned industries like the food and drink and medical. Is there a broader range of companies that would use your software? Is it specifically those very tech or innovative food and medical companies?
So what we tend to find is it is large enterprises who have lots of different regulations that need to comply with. Lots of different sites tend to get really good value out of our software. For example, we've got Well Pharmacy, and I don't know whether you've heard of them, but they've got something like 500 different pharmacies. They're probably about the same size, well, probably not quite as big as Boots, but they're pretty big. You'll see them around. And they use our software for auditing and for They've got a BI dashboard which has got all of their KPI metrics on it, and it helps them to identify risk and make sure that if there's anything that's a big issue, that the leadership know about it.
So you actually customize solutions
So
there?
yeah, a lot of big, yeah. So every customer can do lots of different custom BI or dashboard reports, and all of the workflows are all configured to meet their needs. And a big part of the onboarding process is the implementation. So they always get a dedicated member of our team to go there and do the training and show them how to use it and make the most out of the system, meet best practice industry standards like 9001 and 14001. Yeah, so that's it really.
Plenty happening. Brilliant, brilliant. Well, no, Emily, thank you very much for your time today. Really appreciate it. So if anyone wants to find out more about the software and what you do, or to engage in any of the content you're producing, what's the best place for them to go?
So our website is www.qualsys, which is QUALSYS.co.uk.
Amazing, excellent, and for sure people will hopefully check that out, as I will. I'm going to dig deeper into your content marketing now as well. So thank you very much for taking time out to talk to us today.
Brilliant, no problem. Thank you very much.
Excellent. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Do check out what the guys are at today. If you've got a quality control issues, or if you're in the food and medical or other large scale industry and you need to maintain a lot of paperwork, do check out the link below and maybe engage with Emily and her team and see if they can help. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.